To be a successful person is not something easy. Of course, there are many initiatives that need to be done and a lot of time that needs to be sacrificed. However, there are some things that we need to take care of in order to succeed apart from trying, which is to leave the bad habits and sides that are in us. First, stop saying negative things. What comes out of our mouth will definitely enter our heart indirectly and without you realizing it. Every detail of what you say will be cornered in your heart, and this will worsen your spiritual condition. What does that mean? Imagine in your daily life so many bad and negative things you say and then they enter your heart. Won't it worsen the condition of your soul and yourself by having negative thoughts? Therefore, leave the negative things you often say and speak only good things. Second, leave unhealthy associations. Unhealthy relationships can affect your daily routine. This is because we are easily influenced by people who are close to us, for example, family or friends. Imagine if you have an unhealthy relationship and then influence you to do bad things. Won't that spoil your good side? Unhealthy association will also make you stay away from good things because you will feel that doing bad things is not a mistake but rather make it a habit. Third, stop blaming the situation or others. When the situation is not on your side, you will think that it is only the situation that does not allow it and it is not your fault. Also, when you have a problem with something, you will assume that someone else is the one who caused the failure or consider someone else to be at fault. From here, you will always feel other people are guilty and you are always right. In conclusion, you can't see the mistakes that are caused by yourself and fail to learn from them, causing you to not be able to change yourself to be better than before. 4. Leave procrastination. If you like to procrastinate many things you should succeed in doing, it is impossible for you to succeed because you always postpone what you plan. And maybe it's just a desire and a plan, but it doesn't bear fruit because you like to procrastinate and don't immediately finish it. You may fail in many things because people who like to procrastinate will eventually become a lazy person. Remember that time does not wait for us, it will always move even if we are relaxing. Don't wait for time to do it, instead do it while you have time. 5. Stop saying no and feeling afraid. If you are afraid to risk doing something, you can't know how far you can go. Stop saying no and take the challenge to challenge yourself to move forward. If you are afraid to risk yourself doing something, you will not move from where you stand and it is quite difficult to progress like others. People who dare to take risks will know how to be successful because they are used to challenges. While people who are afraid definitely doubt their own abilities and are far from being a successful person. Last but not least, start from now to change yourself by dying the bad side and bad habits to guarantee a brighter future. Indeed, being a successful person is very difficult, but if you are not the one who works for it, then who else will help you? I hope my sharing this time is useful. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in the next video.